Make a great choice today with the 2019 S5. The muscular, sweeping lines of pure performance mark the dramatic return of the Audi S5 Coupe. Luxury, innovation, and power equal an experience unlike anything else. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, strut, regenerative braking system, power brakes, braking assist, autonomous braking. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.